Hello students, this is a continuation series of 1 mark questions from the topic coordinate geometry. Already in our previous video we have seen 5 questions. Now here we will continue the remaining questions now. The first question is, if x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 are the vertices of a triangle, then its area is given by dash. So we know that the area of a triangle is given by the formula 1 by 2 of x1 multiplied with y2 minus y3 plus x2 multiplied with y3 minus y1 plus x3 multiplied with y1 minus y2. So this is the area of the triangle. The next question is, a quadrilateral in which the opposite sides are equal and diagonals are equal is a dash. So a quadrilateral in which the opposite sides are equal and if the diagonals are equal, then it will be a rectangle actually. So the opposite sides are equal and if the diagonals are also equal, then it is a rectangle. The next question is, if AB is equal to BC equal to CA, then ABC is a dash triangle. So we have a triangle ABC. It is given that the side AB is equal to the side BC and which is also equal to the side AC. We know that if all the three sides of a triangle are equal, then the triangle is said to be an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. The next question is, the algebraic relation satisfied by the coordinates of all points on the curve is called the dash of the curve. So with respect to a particular point, another point will be moving, and as that point moves, it forms a curve, and there will be an algebraic relation for this curve, and so this curve will be known as the locus of this point. So it is the locus of the point that we consider. So that will be the locus. So it has to be locus of a point actually. So it's a locus of a point. The next question is, let P of x1, y1 and Q of x2, y2 be the two given points, and capital R divide PQ internally in the ratio L is to M. Then the coordinates of R is dash. Actually we have a line segment P and Q, and it is given that R divides PQ internally in a ratio L is to M. Then they are asking us to find the coordinates of this point. The coordinates of this point is given by the formula, so which is Lx2 plus Mx1 divided by L plus M, comma y2 plus my1 divided by L plus M. So this is the coordinate of the coordinates of R, which divides the line segment PQ in the ratio L is to M, and it is very importantly it is given that it divides internally. If it is given that R divides PQ externally, then the formula will be Lx2 minus Mx1 divided by L minus M. And here you will have Ly2 minus My1 divided by L minus M. So if it is internally, then this is the formula. If it is externally, wherever you have plus, it will turn out to be negative sign. The next question is, the ratio in which the line joining the points P 2, 3 and Q 4, minus 5 is divided by the point R is 2 is to 3. Then the coordinates of R is dash. We have to use this formula here to evaluate the coordinates of R. So now it is given that it is divided in the ratio 2 is to 3, which means that the value of L is equals to 2, value of m is equals to 3 because it is in the ratio L is to m. So when we compare that, we get L to be 2 and m to be 3. And here this will be x1 y1 and this will be x2 y2. Now if we substitute in this formula, what do we get? So if you see here, we get the coordinates to be L2 multiplied with x2. So 2 multiplied with x2 is here, which is 4. So you will be having 4 plus m multiplied with x1. So m is 3 multiplied with x1 is 2. So 2 divided by m plus L plus m. So 2 plus 3, which is 5, comma, and here you have L y2. L is 2 and y2 is negative 5 plus m is 3 and y1 is 3. So you will be having 3 here divided by 5. And so we will simplify this, and so we get this to be 4 2 times is 8 plus 3 2 times is 6 divided by 5, comma, here we have negative sign, so 5 2 times is 10 plus 3 3 times is 9 divided by 5. And so this will be equal to 8 plus 6, which is 14 divided by 5, comma, minus 10 plus 9 will be minus 1 by 5. And so these are the coordinates of R, and hence the answer will be 14 by 5, comma, minus 1 by 5. So hope you have understood all these 1-mark questions. We will learn more 1-mark questions from this topic in our next video. So the continuation of these 1 marks under the topic coordinate geometry will be seen in our next video. Thank you.